I'm in the boatyard and I see this rudder leaning up against the fence. Looking at it, you can see the rudder post up here to the top. That obviously goes inside the boat. You've got a keyway, see that groove right there? You've got a keyway that keeps it from slipping as you turn port and starboard. And down here at the bottom, you've got another post that sits into a socket at the bottom, or the keel. So let's look at the boat over here to my right. And you can see this big piece called a skeg. The skeg has a zinc because it's metal. There's a cutlass bearing. That's where the bottom of the rudder post sits. It rides in that. And the top of the rudder post goes up inside that hole. You can see the propeller shaft has been removed. And you can notice the grooves. Here are the grooves in there. That's the cutlass bearing. And this is a full keeled tugboat, pleasure tug. And you can see the stern thrusters built into the keel of the boat. Very genius design. I like that a lot. And you can see here that this metal bolts back in here, bolts in there with that piece. And then the rudder socket sits in here and it goes up into that hole. So if you've got problems with your rudder, your propeller, or your propeller shaft, you may have to remove all of these pieces to get the propeller shaft out and send it into the shop and have it inspected. If you want to learn more about propellers, propeller shafts, and boatyard maintenance, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.